Today's tutorial is just an overview of how to log into the Sustainability Start with Teachers site and then how to navigate and manage your course progress. So first of all, at the website course.sustainability.org, you log in. I've typed in my email address, my password, and I click on login. This will take me to the main page of a Sustainability Starts with Teachers online course. From here, at the top, you can see your progress bar. This will show you how far you've completed and when was the last time that you were on the site. So at the moment, the first thing that's always a good idea to check is to look at your course progress. This opens your profile and it shows your course that you are busy with here. My course progress, 52%, 19 of 36 steps. And very important, if you've uploaded an assignment, it will give you a message here, a comment, if your supervisor or group leader left a comment and if it's been approved. So make sure that you check regularly to see if your group leader did not leave a comment for you about your assignment. So let's continue back to the course. So that we can see how to navigate the course. So I'm going to scroll down. If you recall, we also included for online course recordings. If you click on the webinar recordings, it will take you to the webinar recordings, your cluster meeting recordings, and your webinar PowerPoint presentations. Let's click on one. It opens on a new tab. And here in your Google Drive is all the PowerPoints from week 1, 2, and 3 at the moment. So here is the course content. I can also see here my progress, that already I've done the whole first module and the second learning action. With learning action 2, I have about half of it. So if I click on expand here, it will show me the ones that I've completed. And here at the moment, the last session, that's assignment, I haven't completed. But let's look at, for instance, learning action 4. If I click on that, let's go to learning action 4. So the site is quite easy to navigate. So remember, if you click here next to the module, there is your learning material for the learning action. So I'm going to click on learning action for case story. This brings me to the first page. Here is my learning outcomes. I can click here to read the case story, or I can
Learning Action 4.
Listen to it. So once I'm done with this page, and I would like to continue with the next one, as you know, then you click on Mark Complete. This will show that you are done with this. And then here at the top, it shows 55% complete. So that is how you manage your progress. But it doesn't affect your navigation of a site. You can still go back to your previous session. And at the bottom, the only thing that will be different is that it doesn't show there mark as complete because you've already completed it. So that is how we manage your progress and navigate through the site. I hope this was helpful. If you have any further queries, please feel free to contact me. Okay. Have a great day.